To hit level 20 fast, focus on playing Spike Rush. It's quick, and you'll rack up XP in no time. Communicate effectively with your team. Use voice chat and paint strategical locations for better coordination. Prioritize daily missions and weekly challenges for extra XP that really counts. Choose agents that fit your playstyle. Master a few to maximize match success. Study your opponents. Learning their patterns will give you a significant edge. Finally, practice, practice, practice. Your skills will sharpen, and leveling up will feel effortless. Focus on winning. Higher match scores lead to more XP. Encourage your team and play smart. Use in-game purchases wisely. Buy abilities that enhance your performance and strategy. Join a community. Engaging with other players can provide valuable insights and strategies. Stay aware of the meta. Understanding the current game dynamics will help you adapt. Lastly, enjoy the game. A positive mindset will enhance your performance and level up journey. Follow these tips, and you'll be on your way to level 20 in Valorant fast.